Good morning, children. Today we will be making the lines of latitude and longitude. The longitude being the 82.5 degrees east longitude, which is also the Indian Standard Time longitude. The latitude that we have to draw is the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north. When we do the longitude, one thing which is simple about it is that you can use a scale to draw the line, as it is a vertical line. But you will notice that it is not exactly at a 90-degree angle, it is slightly tilted. And in your map, it will be a little bit more tilted also. But I am first explaining it to you in the book map, and then I will draw it on the actual map. Now, the first checkpoint where they've written A over here is where the rivers Yamuna and Ganga meet. So, the confluence of these two rivers over here is the most important point, where we also have Allahabad city. And if your line does not pass through the confluence of these two rivers, you will never be given marks. So you have to be very careful. But this is only one point. To draw the line neatly and properly, we need another point over here, which is at the point of the delta of river Godavari. So as you can see the coastline over here in the delta of river Godavari, at the very edge over here, we will make another dot, and the dot at the confluence of these two rivers, and we'll keep a scale and we'll draw a line through and through from the top end of the map to the bottom end of the map. So we continue now on the map that we will be doing these two lines. Now as you will observe, this is your river Yamuna and this is your river Ganga. So this is the point where the two rivers meet, and this is one point where we will be passing the line through. The other line is the point will be over here at the delta portion of Godavari and Mahanadi. And as I said, after you have marked these 2 points, you will use a ruler or a scale and you will join these 2 points. This point and the point of Allahabad. Now my scale is small, so I just extend the line further after drawing it over here. So I have drawn this line and just taking the ruler up and down, and what we will do is we will write over here 82.5 degrees east and with an arrow IST. This labeling is important. Many times children forget to label it and they get 0. So that makes your IST. Remember, this is the first point which we have to keep in mind, and this is the second point to be kept in mind.